Now let's focus on the canvas size command. You might need it to add different elements to the photograph, like for example, a piece of text or other pictures. You can find the canvas size command directly under image size in the menu at the top. The fundamental difference between the canvas size and the image size is that while the image size refers solely to the picture, the canvas size suggests additional space around the picture and, as the name suggests, focuses on the canvas and not on the image. After you choose this command, its settings appear. Like we mentioned earlier, if the image is going to be used and observed mainly on the internet, it would be a good idea to choose pixels as a unit. Instead of having inches, centimeters, or millimeters, which are suitable for printed pictures, the upper ones show the picture size, and the bottom ones indicate how big the picture will become after you add the desired number of pixels to the canvas. However, in many cases, it's easier to set the number of pixels you want Photoshop to add, instead of accounting for how big it will get. In these cases, you check the Relative checkbox. You should bear in mind that if you choose this option, Photoshop will reset the numbers and allow you to choose a number you want to add. Let's say you want to add another 1000 pixels to the picture's length. After you set it to 1000 and press Enter to confirm your choice, Photoshop will add 500 pixels on either side of the picture. In other words, it will split the 1000 pixels into two halves, 500 pixels on each side. If you want to add pixels to only one of the sides, you need to go to the option Canvas Size and choose the side you would like to add pixels to. You can see this in the preview. The canvas color, white or another, can be chosen with the Canvas Extension Color option in Canvas Size.